Hello there, it's Haley with the Armageddon Report. I'm gonna see if I can get through this whole thing without coughing, because apparently it's just one of those days. And caffeine, not coffee. Right, we all need our caffeine fix, don't we? But not today, anyway, so here's what's going on. At the moment, apparently nothing. No mesoscale discussions, no watches, no warnings. But later on, 15% chance. And I believe this was as high as 30% for the hail, and I think the tornado chance might have also been at 5%. So the Storm Prediction Center has scaled back the probabilities today, but they still do exist. So here's what's going on with the wind map. There'll be 58 miles per hour and greater. So we've got the 15% chance over there, 5% chance over there in the Pacific Northwesterly type area. Hail map looks somewhat similar, except here we've got the black hatched area. So everybody else, 1 inch or larger hail, and in the black hatched area is where significant hail, which would be 2 inches or larger, is more likely to occur. It won't necessarily occur, but models indicate, I don't know how to phrase it, it might be big hail. So you should really, put the car away if you can, of course. Tornado chance, not terribly great, but still there, so 2% chance. So that means you pick a random point in the green area, and that means that the person at that random point has a 2% chance that either they or a neighbor within 25 miles of them will see a tornado. So both, it's a significant thing, and it's also very low. Depends on what kind of odds you like, I guess. So here's tomorrow, where we've got the slight risk again. And this one I do believe was bumped up. I believe the original day 2 outlook was only 15%, and now it's at 30%. So again, as the same as it was yesterday, we've got this huge trail of 5% probabilities, but then we've got the 30% going on, where it looks like a smidge of Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. And then in addition to that, we've got the black hatched area. So if you go down and actually read it, which I did earlier or something, it sounds like the significant probabilities are going to be related to significant hail. So hopefully no significant windstorms and no significant tornadoes, just significant hail. Hopefully none of the above, of course, but you don't like to see significant tornadoes either. So 30% chance tomorrow, day after tomorrow though, scales back down. 5% chances for this blob of area, and then day 4 through 8. Again, nothing on the map, but of course the words are predictability too low instead of probability too low. So predictability too low, meaning that there is severe weather out there, but there's not enough, agreement yet for the Storm Prediction Center to put anything on the map. So, yes, but they have to put something on the map on day 3, right? I don't know. Anyway, so here's what's going on today. If you're in, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, West Virginia, Kentucky, you should pay attention. Right, and get your cars put away if you can, or, hide from the tornadoes, even though there's only a 2% chance, I don't know. So WikiWix, WICKED, WX.com. There's also the National Weather Service, couldn't remember the name there for a second, Storm Prediction Center, or wherever you get your weather, so long as it's gonna, actually tell you about stuff that's coming. Because if it just says, hey, it's 85 degrees out there, but then you find out, oh, but there was a tornado just south of you, and that weather thing did not tell you about it, then that is not a good weather service, weather company, I don't know, weather-related whatever it is, because it might be an app, it might be a website, it might be, offline. Anyway, so enjoy the day as always.